Hello, dear aquarist. Today you will watch a video on a diseased dwarf cichlid. Yes, the Dicrossus filamentosus that arrived wild from the Amazon. I think it came from Colombia, from the Rio Negro. And this fish can arrive with problems because it's wild and they can have strange wild diseases. And I will show that in my PowerPoint presentation, what we discovered by examination of this fish. And we found worm and bacterial infection. Diseases, prevention, diagnosis, and what treatments to use is all available in my books and available in different languages. See the link below where you can order them. Here I show you the Dicrossus filamentosus, the checkerboard dwarf cichlid, that some are very skinny and some are dying. And that's how the fish arrive from the wild. Well, this is the risk of living in the wild, having situations that you encounter the risk of getting infections. And here you see a few very skinny ones. You can see it clearly, and some look healthy, some look like having a good fat body, but some are suffering. And that's the one we have to examine to find out what is going on the fish. And this is what we found. In between the internal organs, a large tremadode worm. And of course, if such a big worm is moving around inside the fish, that has an impact on the health, impact on the organs, and the fish will become weak. And the fish will get secondary bacterial infections, mostly in the internal organs, like here on the left, the liver and the kidney with MMCs, and also the spleen will have melanoma centers, causing the organs to malfunction, and the fish become weak, eat less, and some fish might be too badly damaged. Yes, if they are too badly damaged, better put it gently asleep, euthanize, and you can use, for example, Narcomore Plus. Some other fish can do better when you improve the conditions. You give good water conditions, you give extra food. You might have to use an anti-worm medication here to control that worm infection. Some people had good luck with fenbendazole or praziquantel or some other. You can ask in your aquarium shop or ask your fish doctor. You might need to treat the bacterial infection, which is secondary, and then you have to use a good antibiotic. Also, things you have to ask for your fish doctor or your veterinarian, or you can read it in my books. And at the same time, you can help with a functional fish food like our Dr. Bassleer biofish food. We have therefore the fuco of the grapefruit seed extract moringa that helps in the control of bacterial infections. Books on fish diseases like I have, and the link is below, where you can get more information to get you more advanced in approaching and solving the fish disease problems. Or you can go to my Patreon channel and there train yourself in fish doctoring, how to prevent fish diseases, how to put fish in quarantine, all details that help you to become a better fish keeper. So I hope this video helped you to understand a disease, or here on a wild dwarf cichlid, the checkerboard cichlid. Subscribe to learn more. Thank you for watching.